Do you want to go to Target?
Sure, what do you need?
Lego?
I guess.
You gonna get me something?
Depends.
They finally have Baradora in stock. We've already got this one at home, or else I'd be buying that. Looks like they added a whole new aisle of Lego. We've got the new East Wing and the Burrow finally in stores.
I like this.
The Italian Riviera. Maybe another day. Got Boba Fett. The new Tumbler and the Viper. Pretty cool. So should I get the McLaren or the new Aston Martin?
This way.
So I think we're gonna go with the Aston Martin. Will you get this for me?
How much is it?
$230.
I'll split it with you.
Aston Martin secured.